Alright. Can I have the measuring cup, please? Thank you. What? Oh, here's one that's all clumped together. You can have that one. And a half. There's 1.5. So these are the milk. We're gonna do 1, 2. So, yeah. Our wet ingredients. Wet.
Oh, wow.
1.
Why?
Wait a minute. Don't put those in there. Uh-oh. Well, that's going to be a little different, isn't it? Wait, no. These have to be set aside.
But they're also there.
Because I don't want them to end up in our butter yet. What are you doing?
But two more butter.
2 more butters. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Why butter?
6.
Why butter?
Now there's 1 butter left.
No.
Okay.
No more butter. No more butter here.
No more butter here?
No.
Well, it sounds like she's crying. We better go get your sister now. Alright, so we need your measuring cup. Yeah, big spoon.
What's that?
This is 1 cup of brown sugar.
Oh, duh.
Yep. Hey.
I like that.
Of course you do. It's sugar. You're a kid. Kids like sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. Don't touch it again. You already licked your hands.
There.
There's a boo-boo there. Don't do that. No. You only touch it once. Your hands are dirty. You want a little bit of sugar?
Wow.
You want to dump it in? And dump it in. Good job.
Mine.
More.
For Missy.
More. Yep.
Cup.
Yep, another 1/4 cup. So dump that in. Good job.
Mine.
That's enough for now. Right? I need 2 eggs. Let me do the eggs because they're dirty. They're dirty eggs. What? I'm trying to make you stop. You will like these cookies. And then we need about a tablespoon. A tablespoon? What do you mean? A tablespoon. We're gonna mix it. Ready? Whoa, too fast. See, that's why I like the other one better.
Yeah.
You gonna get the other mixer? Where? Oh, I see it. Hold on a second. I'll get it. Thankfully, these beaters are interchangeable. Be much better, isn't it? Yeah.
Now dump it. Now dump it.
No, don't. Oh. That's dirty now.
2 mixing balls.
2 mixing bowls.
Yeah.
2 mixing bowls.
1, 2.
All right, 1, 2. Now, here's flour. This is oat flour.
Oatmeal spider.
In fact, I just took oatmeal and ground it down.
Mmm.
So there is 1 and a quarter. Now we're just gonna do 1, and that's for our good measure. Okay.
I like my 2.
Right.
I like my 2.
Earlier, I ground down some oatmeal into oat flour. You can do this with a coffee grinder or food processor. You can also buy oat flour at the local grocery store.
Flaxseed.
Flaxseed. I like flaxseed.
Yeah, this is flaxseed meal. So I know you like flaxseed. So it's a 1/2 cup of flaxseed meal. It's flaxseed meal. It's healthy for you. Okay. Brewer's yeast. 1/4 cup. Did you say 1/4 cup? Cover your mouth.
Mommy's my teeth are clean now. My teeth are clean now.
And then we put just a little bit of salt. So we're gonna just that's it. Quite simple, isn't it? Alright, pick that up and incorporate it into this. Pick it up. Carefully dump it in there. Good job! Okay. So we're going to preheat our oven, right? Thank you. The unfortunate thing is it won't be ready until tomorrow because the brewer's yeast, right?
That's oatmeal too.
It is oatmeal.
It's my oatmeal.
How do they look?
No.
No? What's wrong with them? Too spicy?
Yeah.
Why do you think it's too spicy? How about we add some chocolate chips to
That's
it?
you with the tootsie. How about the other thing?
We have oil also. Exactly. Little oil on my hands. Pop it in the oven.
After you take these cookies out of the oven, you need to wait between 6 and 8 hours before eating them. Yes, a challenge. You don't want to eat a hot chocolate chip cookie because that yeast, it has an off flavor until it can absorb some of the moisture in the air. Thanks for watching. Enjoy some of our other shows.
something's rotten over there. Well, yeah, you can wipe it up. Did you hear her a moment ago? She pointed and said, "Hey, that's you making cookies." She realized it was on the computer.
Hey, that's cookies.
See? Okay, I don't think we can fit any more chocolate chips in here. Can you?
Yeah.
Where?
Those.
There. Okay, we'll put a few there. Hand. Yummy.
Yummy. What's that?
Parchment paper. Stick just a little bit of oil on my hand.
Look at it. You want to use a hand like this?
Yep. Well, see, that way I can kind of ball them up a little bit.
Ah.
Yeah.
I still want to take a ball. See? One cup.
3 cups of oatmeal. 1.5. You want out? She doesn't. Do you want out? Do you want to help me make cookies? Oh, it looked like something.
What are you doing? Me
Yeah, I said something earlier. I'll get your chair. Figured you want to help. Mix it. Hold the bowl. One hand on the bowl, one hand on the spoon. Hard, isn't it? It's okay, keep mixing it.
I am mixing.
Yep. Keep mixing. Okay, scrape my spoon off. Good job. Get distracted by the TV. Want me to pause it? Yeah. Alright, now we can do this.
Now you mix my straw.
Alright, all mixed. All mixed. Now my turn. Quit wiggling. You're going to have to get down if you keep wiggling. Are you wiggling? Yeah, stand still when you're on the chair, right? Okay. But these we didn't put in. What is this? Chocolate. Yummy.
I was hot in food. I was hot in food.
Mix it, mix it, mix it. How's it look? All mixed up? Alright.